Welcome to our English learning session. Today, we're diving into the basics of real-life dialogues to help you seamlessly navigate everyday situations and enhance your English fluency. Conversations are like bridges connecting people. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time, catching up with friends, or engaging in casual chit-chat, effective communication is key. Before we delve into the details, let's first listen to a real-life conversation between two friends, Rahul and Anita. Afterward, we'll break down key phrases and provide practical examples to enhance your English fluency. Excited? Let's get started.
Hi, Anita. How was your day at work?
Hey, Rahul. It was good, thanks. How about yours?
Not bad. A bit busy, but I'm glad it's over. Would you like some tea?
Sure, that sounds nice. Thanks.
Make yourself comfortable. I'll be right back.
After Rahul brings tea.
Here you go, Anita. How's the tea?
It's perfect, thanks. Your place is so cozy.
Glad you like it. Do you want some snacks with the tea?
Maybe later. So, any exciting plans for the evening?
Not really. Just relaxing. By the way, have you tried this new game?
No, what game is it?
It's a simple card game. Want to give it a try?
Sure, why not? How do we play?
It's easy. I'll explain the rules. Let me grab the cards.
After playing the game.
That was fun. Thanks for teaching me, Rahul.
Anytime. Do you have any favorite board games?
I like Scrabble. It's challenging and fun.
Nice choice. We should play it next time.
Definitely. Oh, speaking of games, have you seen that new movie?
No, not yet. Is it good?
Yes, it's a comedy. Want to watch it together sometime?
Sounds like a plan. How about this weekend?
Perfect. Saturday evening?
Works for me. What time?
Let's aim for 7 p.m. Does that work for you?
Sure, 7 p.m. it is. Looking forward to it.
Me too. Oh, before I forget, how's your new job going?
It's going well, thanks. The team is friendly, and the work is interesting.
That's great to hear. I'm happy for you.
Thanks, Anita. How about you? How's your project at work?
It's challenging, but I enjoy it. Learning a lot too.
That's fantastic. Keep up the good work.
Thanks, Rahul. By the way, do you have any pets?
No, I don't. How about you?
I have a cat named Whiskers. She's adorable.
That sounds cute. I've heard cats make great companions.
They do. Maybe you should consider getting one.
I'll think about it. Oh, by the way, have you tried cooking lately?
Not really. I'm not much of a chef. How about you?
I try simple recipes. Maybe we can cook something together one day?
That sounds fun. Let's plan it. I'm sure we won't burn the kitchen down.
Agreed. Well, I should get going. Thanks for coming over, Anita.
No problem, Rahul. Thanks for the tea and the game. See you on Saturday.
Definitely. Looking forward to it. Bye, Anita.
Bye, Rahul. Take care.
That was a delightful conversation between Rahul and Anita. Now, let's break down the key phrases they used, providing you with insights and examples to seamlessly incorporate them into your own conversation. Let's get started. Greetings and inquiries. Greetings are the building blocks of any conversation. They set the tone and make others feel welcome. When you meet someone, a simple "Hi there" or "Hello" is a friendly start. To inquire about their well-being, you can ask, "How's it going?" or "How was your day?" These phrases create a warm atmosphere and open the door for further interaction. Let's listen to some of the common greetings and inquiries. Hi there. Hello. Hey. How's it going? How was your day? What's up? Try them out in your daily interactions and see how they bring warmth and friendliness to your conversations. Offering and accepting. Offering and accepting are about showing kindness and consideration. When you want to offer something, you can say, "Would you like some tea?" or "How about a cup of coffee?" If someone offers you something, responding with "Sure, thanks," or "Yes, please" is a polite way to accept. These phrases help build a positive and friendly environment. Now pay attention to these phrases. Would you like some tea? How about a cup of coffee? Do you want something to eat? Can I get you anything? Sure, thanks. Yes, please. These simple phrases, filled with kindness and consideration, can truly elevate your interactions. Small talk. Small talk is like the glue that holds conversations together. It's about casual, lighthearted discussions. To engage in small talk, you might say, "Any plans for the evening?" or "What are you up to?" These questions invite others to share a bit about their lives, creating a connection beyond the surface. Let's explore phrases for casual conversations. Any plans for the evening? What are you up to? How's everything with you? Anything exciting happening? How's life treating you? Did you do anything interesting today? Take these phrases and infuse them into your daily interactions. Introducing hobbies and interests. Sharing hobbies and interests helps people connect on a personal level. You can start by asking, "Do you have any favorite hobbies?" or "What do you enjoy doing in your free time?" If you want to share your own interests, say, "I love playing board games." How about you? These phrases initiate conversations beyond the usual and reveal more about each other. Let's listen to the phrases. Do you have any favorite hobbies? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Tell me about your interests. I love reading books. How about you? Have you tried playing guitar? Sharing these personal aspects of ourselves brings depth and richness to our conversations. Suggesting plans. Making plans is a crucial part of socializing. To suggest plans, you can say, "How about a movie this weekend?" or "What do you think of grabbing lunch together?" If you want to catch up in a more relaxed setting, say, "Let's catch up for coffee." These phrases make it easy to propose ideas and coordinate activities. Pay attention to these suggestions. How about a movie this weekend? What do you think of grabbing lunch together? Let's catch up for coffee. Would you be interested in mention the activity? Example, would you be interested in playing tennis? How about we mention the plan/activity? Example, how about we go on a walk? These phrases are your keys to unlocking a world of shared experiences. Go ahead, use them to propose a movie night, a lunch date, or a casual coffee catch-up. Talking about work. Work is a common topic in conversations. When discussing work, you might ask, "How's your job going?" or "Tell me about your work." These questions show genuine interest and open the door for others to share their professional experiences. It's a great way to connect on a more personal level. Let's explore phrases related to discussing jobs and projects. How's your job going? Tell me about your work. What do you do for a living? How's your new project? Do you enjoy your job? Any interesting developments at work? These phrases are your passport to exploring the professional landscapes of those around you. Discussing pets. Pets are fantastic conversation starters. If you're curious about someone's furry friends, you can ask, "Do you have any pets?" or "Tell me about your pet." Sharing your own pet experience can be done with phrases like, "I have a dog. His name is Tommy." These conversations often bring joy and a shared love for animals. Listen to phrases related to discussing furry friends. Do you have any pets? What kind of pets do you like? Tell me about your pet. I have a cat. Her name is Snowy. Pets are wonderful companions, aren't they? Have you ever had a pet? These phrases are your keys to unlocking a world of adorable tales. Future plans and invitations. Planning ahead and inviting friends or acquaintances to join you is a social skill. Use phrases like, "What are you doing this weekend?" or "Would you like to join me for?" Mention the activity. If you want to set a specific date, say, "Let's plan something for." Mention the specific day. These phrases make it easy to organize social gatherings and outings. What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to join me for? Mention the activity. For example, "Would you like to join me for dinner?" Let's plan something for. Mention the specific day. For example, "Let's plan something for tomorrow." How about we get together on? Mention the day. For example, "How about we get together on Saturday? Want to hang out sometime? What's your schedule like?" These phrases are your tickets to crafting beautiful memories together. Go ahead, use them to inquire about weekend plans or extend an invitation for a shared activity. Expressing happiness and compliments. Positivity enhances conversations. Expressing joy or offering compliments can brighten someone's day. You can say, "That's great," or "Congratulations," when you hear good news. Complimenting someone's space or achievement can be done with phrases like, "Your place is lovely," or "You did a fantastic job." These expressions create a positive and uplifting atmosphere. Let's learn phrases for expressing joy and compliments. "That's great." "Congratulations." "I'm happy for you." "Your place is lovely." "You did a fantastic job." These phrases are your tools to spread joy and appreciation. Use them to celebrate good news, compliment someone's achievements, and create an uplifting atmosphere. Farewell. Lastly, saying goodbye gracefully is essential. Saying goodbye is an art in itself. It's about leaving a positive impression. Common farewell phrases include goodbye or see you later. To show care, you can say, "Take care," or "Until next time." Using variations like, "It was nice talking to you," or "Have a great day," adds a personal touch to your farewells. Here are some common farewell phrases. Goodbye. See you later. Take care. Bye for now. Until next time. Catch you later. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Have a good one. These phrases are your tools to leave a positive and lasting impression. Use them to bid farewell with warmth and sincerity. We're now going to enhance your pronunciation and speaking skills through a repeat after me session. In this session, I'll be saying some important basic conversation phrases. Listen to my pronunciation carefully and then repeat after me. This practice will help improve your fluency and confidence in spoken English. I encourage you to play this part of the video as many times as you need to perfect your pronunciation. Hello. How's it going? How was your day? What's up? Would you like some tea? How about a cup of coffee? Do you want something to eat? Can I get you anything? Sure, thanks. Yes, please. Any plans for the evening? What are you up to? How's everything with you? Anything exciting happening? How's life treating you? Did you do anything interesting today? Do you have any favorite hobbies? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Tell me about your interests. I love reading books. How about you? Have you tried playing guitar? How about a movie this weekend? What do you think of grabbing lunch together? Let's catch up for coffee. Would you be interested in playing tennis? How about we go on a walk? How's your job going? Tell me about your work. What do you do for a living? How's your new project? Do you enjoy your job? Any interesting developments at work? Do you have any pets? What kind of pets do you like? Tell me about your pet. I have a cat. Her name is Snowy. Pets are wonderful companions, aren't they? Have you ever had a pet? What are you doing this weekend? Would you like to join me for dinner? Let's plan something for tomorrow. How about we get together on Saturday? Want to hang out sometime? What's your schedule like? That's great. Congratulations. I'm happy for you. Your place is lovely. You did a fantastic job. Goodbye. See you later. Take care. Bye for now. Until next time. Catch you later. It was nice talking to you. Have a great day. Have a good one. And that brings us to the end of the session. But remember, we've just scratched the surface. Language learning is a journey, and we have a long way to go. There are many more lessons and real-life conversations waiting for us. If you've found these phrases helpful and want to continue mastering the art of everyday conversations, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about creating connections. Practice is a key. So, remember to use these phrases in your daily interactions, and you'll find your English fluency improving. Until next time, take care, keep practicing, and remember, every conversation is a step forward. Happy learning and goodbye for now.